Let us learn the concept of difference between heavy and light. Heavy pumpkin, light pear. Heavy book, light paper. Heavy rice bag, light school bag. Heavy elephant, light sheep. Heavy table, light floor mat. Heavy water bottle, light empty bottle. Heavy bed, light pillow. Heavy bus, light bicycle. Heavy rock, light feather. Heavy cylinder, light needle. Heavy fridge, light tray. Heavy watermelon, light lemon. Heavy log, light stick. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow us for more videos.